In this lesson, I'm going to look at equation involving logarithm. So join me as we go through these questions step by step. Now, for the first one, what we do is that we will just group the log terms together. So you have 1 equal to log of x divided by 5 plus log of x minus 5. Wow. Now, we know that if we have log A base B plus log C base B, then we have log of AC base B. That we multiply the numbers if we are adding with the same base. So we are going to have 1 equal to log of x divided by 5 times x minus 5. That will give us 1 equal to log of x squared minus 5x divided by 5. Remember, x will multiply this x, and then x will multiply the 5. Very simple as that. So here, we are going to use the definition of logarithm, but what can we do? If we write the log without the base, it means that we are dealing in base 10. So here the base here is 10. And the definition of logarithm states that the base must be raised to the number to give us the power. So 10 must be raised to the power to give us this number, x squared minus 5x divided by 5. 10 to the power 1 is 10. So we multiply 2 by 5 to get here as 50 equal to x squared minus 5x. Now if we group like terms, we have x squared minus 5x. If this 50 comes, it becomes minus 50 equal to 0. Remember, I've sent the 50 here. That is very simple. Or I can write it as x squared minus 5x minus 50 then equal to 0. The same thing. Take note of it. X squared here is positive. 5x here is negative. But this 50 has crossed the equal sign to this side. So it's negative. Okay. If you understand it this way, you can proceed. If you understand it this way, the same procedure. Now, we multiply minus 50 by the coefficient here 1. It will give us minus 50. Then the factors of this, which will be added to give us negative 5, is negative 10 and 5. So we have x squared minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. The position of the factors is not important. You can interchange the position and you can still factorize to get the same answer. So here, if we factorize x out, we have x times x minus 10. We factorize positive 5 out here. We have x minus 10 equal to 0. So here x minus 10 is common. So we can factorize it out. And you have x plus 5 equal to 0. So this gives us x equal to minus 5, x equal to positive 10. That is very simple at that. Now, let us check which of these fits into the equation. Remember that if log A is equal to B, then this A is greater than 0. That is the domain of logarithm. We don't have log of a negative number. We don't have log of a negative number. So if we put any of these roots here and we get a negative number, then that root must be discarded. So let's see. If I put here minus 5, I'm going to get here 1 equal to log minus 5 divided by 5 plus whatever. This one will give me 1 equal to log minus 5. Sorry, minus 1. So I can't take log of negative 1. So here, this is not a solution. It is not a solution. Wow. That is great. So I just checked it here. You can check it here too. If you put here minus 5, you see I have minus 5 minus 5. That will give us log of negative 10. And we don't have log of negative 10. Take your calculator and punch log minus 10. And you see that it will give you maths error. So here, the only solution here is x equal to 10. So please always kindly check. Just use the calculator. Punch everything there and check. If each solution fits into your equation before you state the solution. So here, for this equation, x is equal to 10. X is not equal to -5. Let us look at it. To use this, n log x base b is equal to log of x to the power n base b. So this one becomes log of x squared base 3 equal to log of 5x minus 4 base 3. And remember that if you have log m base k equal to log n base k, then m equal to n. So here we have log x squared base 3 equal to log 5x minus 4 base 3. We have the same base, so we just equate the numbers. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Then find the factors of positive 4 times 1, that is positive 4. That will give us minus 5. So you have x squared minus x minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. You can use quadratic formula too. Okay, so here we are going to have x times x minus 1 minus 4 times x minus 1 equal to 0, which gives us x minus 4 times x minus 1 equal to 0. We have x equal to 1, x equal to 4. You can also check this to see if they fit. Now, x equals to positive 4, x is equal to 1. Now, if you put x equal to 1 here, you can take log of 1, that is positive. But let's check here. If any of these gives us a negative number, then that solution will be discarded. But if you put here 1, 5 times 1 is 5, minus 4 is positive 1. If you put here 4, 5 times 4 is 20, minus 4 is 16. So both solutions fit into the equation. Now let's check the next one. We have log of x plus log 7 minus x equal to 1. So since we are adding, we multiply the numbers. We're going to have log of x times 7 minus x equal to 1. And since the base is not there, it is in base 10. So we use the definition of logarithm, which states that the base must be raised to the power to give the number. So we have 10 exponent 1 equal to 7x minus x squared. That is 7 times x, 7x, x times minus x squared. So here, if we group, we are going to have x squared minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. I've moved these to this side. Now, we can factorize this or use the quadratic formula. If only it factorizes. If it doesn't factorize, use the quadratic formula. But this one, positive 10 times 1 is positive 10. And the factors of positive 10 that will give us negative 7 are minus 5 and minus 2. So we write this one as x squared minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. I said the order here is not important. The only thing is that they should be the factors of positive 10 times the positive 1 here. That will give you the minus 7. So here x, we factorize out, you have x minus 5. Negative 2 will be factorized out, and here we have x minus 2 equal to 0. So this will give us x minus 5 times, here is 5, x minus 2 equal to 0, which gives x equal to 2 or 5 as our solution. Now, if we put it here, log of 5 will give us 5 is positive, so log 5 will be okay, log 2 will be okay. They are all positive. If you put 5 here, 7 minus 5 is 2. If you put here 2 minus 5 is 5. So they are all positive. It will give us the solution. So you can check and see. And let's go to D. Now if we take the D, we have log x plus log 7 minus x. No, log x equal to 2 minus log x plus 21. So let's see that one. We group like term to get log x minus log x plus 21 equal to 2. This is addition. Subtraction, so if it comes here, it will become positive. So now what do we get? Since we are adding, we multiply. Since the bases are the same, so we have log of x times x plus 21 is equal to 2. We don't have any base, so it means it is in base 10. Then use the definition. The base must be raised to the power to give the number. So 10 exponent 2 is 100. That equals x squared plus 21x is equal to this. Then if you expand, you get this. I wrote 10 exponent 2 is equal to x times x plus 21. 10 squared is 100. If you expand this, you get this. So now, we have 0 equal to x squared plus 21x minus 100. Then find the factors of negative 100, that will give us 21. Because here the coefficient here is positive 1. So positive 1 times negative 100 will give us negative 100. The factors of this, that will give us 21 are positive 25 and 4. So positive 25 and negative 4. If you cannot factorize, use the quadratic formula. Okay, we have been factorizing, so let's use the quadratic formula for this. So for the quadratic formula, we have x equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So here, b is positive 21 and c is negative 100. And then a is positive 1 here. So we put them here. We have x equal to negative 21 plus or minus the square root of 21 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 100 all divided by 2 times 1 since a is 1. Now point this with the calculator and let's go. We have 21 squared minus 4 times 1 times 100. That will give us square root of 841. So you have x is equal to negative 21 plus or minus square root of 841. Point everything under here and put it here. Divided by 2. Now I have x is equal to negative 21 plus or minus 29 divided by 2. A square root of 841 is 29. So this implies that we have x to equal to negative 21 plus 29 divided by 2, or negative 21 minus 29 divided by 2. So let's check any of them. Minus 21 plus 29 divided by 2 is 4. And then minus 21 minus 29 divided by 2 is minus 50. Sorry, minus 25. Okay, so we have x equal to 5 or minus 25. If you cannot factorize, just use the quadratic formula. If you can factorize too, you should factorize, because I've been factorizing C. If you had used the factorization like I was doing, you would have had 0 equal to x squared minus, plus 25x minus 4x minus 100 equal to 0. And this gives 0 to equal to x into brackets, x plus 25 minus 4 into bracket, x plus 25 equal to 0, which will give us x minus 4 times x plus 25 equal to 0, which will eventually give us x equal to 4, x equal to minus 25. Now, which of these fits into our equation? Let's check. X equal to 4 or minus 25. Here, we can take log of negative number. So, this minus 24 will be discarded. because here we have log of x, and log of negative doesn't exist, so the negative 25 will be discarded. Let's put in 4 there and see. We have log 4 plus log of 4 plus 21. Let's check and see. We have log 4 plus log 25 equal to what? This will give us log of 4 times 25 because we multiply the numbers. That will give us log of 100. And this is the same as log of 10 squared. That will give us 2 log 10. You see that the base are the same. So log 10 is 10 is 1. So the answer will be 2. Wow. So always when you get your answers, put them there to see whether it fits into the equation or not. So for this equation, x is equal to 4 is the only solution. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed a lot for me. I love you. That's why I keep on doing amazing videos